Congratulations. This. Hi guys, and welcome to a new video of Retrowheelz. Rally is unloaded, wheels are unloaded. It's time to clean up and to check everything that I bought on the way to Tuning World Bodensee. But first we need to get some orders out. My dad is already here packing some wheels, some stuff. So that's first, and then we get onto the wheels. And that's another load of packages onto one of you guys, maybe. Now that that's sorted, it's time to start prepping the wheels that I bought on the way to Tuning World Bodensee. Take some pictures of some wheels that are already, or better still, in beautiful condition. But first, we have some wheels that are, of course, bent. So straighten, sand, and then off to the powder coater. A bunch of wheels ready to start their restoration progress. Now we load the van and my dad will be driving to the powder coater, so we get these wheels in 1 or 2 weeks back, and then we can polish, reassemble, do what's needed. It's been a busy week, but not so far with cool content. Yesterday we did a lot of tire changes, winter back to summer, boring stuff. But now it's time to build some two-piece wheels. I'm going to try and polish 2 sets, maybe try polish 3 so we can build some more wheels tomorrow. But first, a day of polishing. And that's the day of polishing done. We did 8 barrels, all of them speed lines. Here is a set laying ready, centers ready to be built tomorrow, and then the other set is almost already packed because they will be shipped off as they are. This customer asked us to machine the centers, he'll paint them himself and polish the lips. Now I'm going to go to my dad. He is a marshal at a local rally event and they're doing the shakedown today, so I'm gonna freshen a little bit up and then we're off to a rally. The rally was fun yesterday, but now it's time to get back to work. It's around 6, it's an early morning for us, but we need to polish some more lips before we can build some wheels. Now it's time for a set of 2-piece Porsche wheels. We have a nicely black powder coated barrel. Now we need to get off the powder coat so we can polish the lips. Polishing is done. As you can see, we have a lot of lips laying ready. But now first I put one wheel together, one side with chrome screws and another side with black screws. The client didn't know for sure what he wanted, so we assembled half of a wheel. I've sent some pictures, so I hope in some minutes we'll get an answer for him and then we can finish the set of custom speed lines. But first I'll be finishing the Porsche set, so I don't need to wait. The Porsches are done. I can take pictures of them to list online because this is a set I'll be putting up for sale. And then the client of the custom speed lines has made up his decision. He will go with the chrome bolts, so let's go. We made it.
We did it! We did it! We did it! We did it! No!
Another week of polishing, of building weeks done. We have a set of custom speed lines with no paint on the centers because the client will do that. Then we have another set of custom speed lines, BBS LM style. In 5 minutes, Jonas will be arriving for that set. And then we have a set that will be put up for sale later. A beautiful set of 2-piece Porsche wheels. And I think I hear Jonas arriving. So then we can mount, yeah, he's there. So then we can mount some wheels, some custom speedlines on his VRS. But first, some cinematics. And that's another Friday done. It's time to close down the shop and not come back tomorrow, because tomorrow we'll be going to the Sezoensrally again with the little apprentice. So see you there.
Beetje klappen. Goed zo.
Bravo, bravo, bravo. Goed zo, goed zo.
It's the end of the week, the end of the video, and now it's time to make someone really happy. I've never done this before. I put all your names inside here, and now we're gonna see who will win that BBS Bodensee limited edition cap. Click to spin, says the screen, so here we go. Let's see who is the lucky winner. And I think we have a winner. It's Retrowheelz GTI 16 valve. And with that, I'm also going to end the video here. I need to clean up my shop a lot. Yesterday we had a party, so my shop is again looking like this. Today cleaning up the shop, getting the cars back in, and then we'll start a new week. But that's for tomorrow. I thank you guys for watching. Congratulations to Retrowheelz GTI for winning the cap. Please send me an email so we can get in touch and I can send it over to you. So please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Mm-hmm.